Now the pine cone is open. They're all open. I'm gonna spread some water around here to shut any flames off, and then judge with my hands to make sure everything is this fire's put out. So I'm gonna spread some more around. It's a small cooking fire, so it's pretty easy. Gonna use a stick to gather everything around. It's a little mossy here, but it was just a small fire, so we're obviously. And here's the seeds that are gonna be spread with the ashes that are cold. So now I just go like wee, wee.
Så ska på swing.
Okay, there you go. Now clean that up, rough it up, make sure there's no fire underneath, which is hot. Stampede it a bit. There's no fire, it's just hot. So that's good. Put some earth back, spread it around, and then we can leave because there's no traces, and we just spread light around.